Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2007 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to make a short video to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on the dash. This light comes on after 4,500 miles to remind you to change the oil. To reset the light, first set your display to show trip A by pressing the button on the instrument cluster. Now you'll need to press and hold the same button while turning the key to position 2, but do not start the engine. Keep holding the button until all the dashes on the display disappear and trip A reappears. The maintenance light is now reset. Take the key out and we're done. That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a great day.